Hi guys, welcome to our latest tech video. Today we're going to be installing a new inner barrel and hop-up bucking. First of all, ensure your hop-up is fully disabled. Then you need to remove the body pins. Use a blunt instrument to push the pin partly through the receiver. Flip the gun over and pull the pin until it clicks. You should then be able to separate the receivers. They might get caught slightly on the bolt release catch, so you might have to press this in order to be able to lever the two sections apart. To make removing the hop-up chamber easier, I removed the metal plate behind the dust cover. The hop-up chamber can then be pulled out from the barrel. With the barrel removed, you now need to remove the hop-up chamber. First of all, you need to remove the C-clamp. A small instrument like a screwdriver can make this job easier. Using a twisting motion, gently twist the barrel away from the hop-up chamber. If at any point the bucking becomes caught, press the edge of it and rotate it so it sits under the lip of the hop-up chamber as not to cause damage to the bucking. It's now time to install the new inner barrel. I've decided to go for a ZCI 6.02mm Type bore inner barrel. I've combined that with a maple leaf hop-up bucking. Firstly, place the brass ring back on the inner barrel. Then, looking at the hop-up rubber, ensure the ridge in the rubber lines up with the groove of the inner barrel. The maple leaf rubber also has a contact patch which has to sit properly in the window of the inner barrel. Make sure the hop-up bucking is seated correctly at the end of the barrel to ensure a good air seal. Place the barrel back into the hop-up chamber, ensuring it is the correct way around, with the contact patch at the top and the groove at the bottom. Then press the brass ring back down towards the hop-up chamber and reinstall the C-clip. Then press the brass ring back into the hop-up chamber so it sits flush. You can now install the new inner barrel and hop-up chamber back into your AEG. Connect back the receiver parts. And lock back in place by pushing the body pin back through the receiver. And that's it, all done. We are now going to test fire it to see what difference it's made. Currently it was shooting at 320 FPS, and after the upgrade it's now shooting at 324. I hope you enjoyed the video guys, thanks for watching, and check out some more of our stuff at teamironfit.co.uk or on Instagram or Facebook.